right, so let's go ahead and just pop this wig on. Straight out the box, this density is super light, y'all. Did not seem slightly bleached, but not completely. I do like that it's pre-plucked already, so it looks natural just laying here on my head. Like, I don't feel like I have to alter the front too much. I let it sit. I usually press it some, and then I'm gonna take away the white layer and just press the sides down. And just press like that, blending very well. And you can see for yourself that I didn't have to put any glue here, so I'm still glueless right around this area, and the tape is going to hold the rest. You can tie it down if you need to. Spray the hair down with some water. There's no tangles so far. That's how it was straight out the box, but looking at it, it falls very flat. It gives that look of it's growing out of my scalp.